To remove either of the front doors on your vehicle, first, roll down the window to prevent any damage. Find the supplied toolkit inside the center console and use the number 50 Torx head driver to remove the hinge pin nuts from the upper and lower outside hinges of the door. You'll find a fastener bin with dedicated slots to hold each of the hinge pin nuts located below the rear seat. You can stow them in the slots provided. Next, find the plastic wiring access door under the instrument panel. Slide the cover straight back toward the rear of the vehicle to detach the tabs and remove the cover. Do not try to pry it back or outward, or you could damage the plastic cover. Now it's time to disconnect the wiring harness. First, push the locking tab upward to unlock the harness. Push and hold down on the security tab located beneath the wiring harness, and at the same time, lift up on the harness lever. Once the harness lever is up and in the open position, pull the harness straight down to disconnect it. Store the wiring connector in the lower door basket. Finally, use the number 40 Torx head driver to remove the check bolt from the center door check and stow it in the fastener bin. You can now lift the door upward, being sure to clear the hinge pins and remove the door. To reinstall the doors, carefully reverse these removal steps. You'll note a longer pin on the upper hinge. This helps guide the door into place during reinstallation. Keep in mind, these doors are heavy. The help of a second person is recommended. Please use caution during removal and reinstallation. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.